10, we are hearing from experts and local advocates tonight on the newly released data on deadly overdoses. According to the CDC, the number of overdose deaths is down nationwide. KTVU South Bay reporter LaMonica Peters joins us now in San Jose with more on the tools being used to help combat the drug crisis here in the Bay Area. LaMonica.
Julie, the CDC reports that overdose deaths declined about 3% from 2022 to 2023. Now, advocates say that's promising news, but they still want people to educate themselves about the dangers of drug use.
We are hopeful. We are hopeful that these trends are coming down as they have been crushing with the past years of the overdose statistic.
Dr. Cheryl Ho is medical director for Santa Clara County's Behavioral Health Department and says although national numbers declined some, the crisis isn't over. Santa Clara County's data board shows overdose deaths increased from 195 deaths in 2022 to 228 in 2023. But Ho says they now have more tools to combat the drug crisis.
We have really increased our prevention efforts through public awareness campaigns. We have increased our harm reduction efforts through countywide distribution of naloxone. And we've also stepped up a number of treatment efforts. And so, our hope is that all of these efforts combine across as well here in Santa Clara County, as well as nationwide. We're really hoping that these are moving the needle on our overdose crisis.
Since 1999, over 1 million people have died from a drug overdose in the United States, according to the National Center for Drug Abuse Statistics. Dean Schold is co-founder of FentCheck, an organization that provides fentanyl test strips and Narcan to schools and nightclubs in the Bay Area.
What we're seeing now is a change where younger people who have never used any opioid substance other than that might have been prescribed by a doctor are starting to use it.
Drug abuse statistics show that in the U.S., opioids like fentanyl are a factor in 7 of 10 drug overdose deaths.
We are keeping people alive through Narcan, which is fantastic, but we need to look at how can we actually prevent overdoses, not just prevent death.
Now, if you or someone you know needs help or you want more information about Narcan or fentanyl testing strips, just go to KTVU.com and click the link for this story. Julie?
LaMonica Peters reporting live for us tonight in San Jose. LaMonica, thank you.